Well, summer pruning a plum tree. Now, I'm no expert, but there aren't that many videos, and everything that I can see is you don't want all these scraggly little branches jutting off everywhere, and you want a balanced tree. Now, this tree is kind of heavy growing this way, and you see it's even leaning to the right. Unfortunately, I had to cut off a couple branches that got a fungal disease going off the right, so I lost those ones. You can actually see one of the base there. I had a black fungus, so I cut it about 12 inches away from where the fungus was. Maybe that branch will come back, but hopefully it doesn't get the fungus again, and maybe balance out the tree again that way. But it's leaning heavily this way. I've got all these branches going off, and people say not to prune too heavily in the summer. But I did see some people recommend pinch pruning, or pruning off the tips of these long branches to try to stop all this wasted energy and stuff that you're just going to prune off in the fall anyways. So I'm going to go around. Plus, a lot of these leaves, for some reason, I've got tons of aphids here now. They're just cramping up these leaves anyway, so they're not healthy. So I'm just going to go ahead and trim all these things off and make them more manageable. So you see the leaves aren't healthy down to about here, then they get healthy, and that's probably all the branch I want really. So I'm just going to come here and snip this right off just like that. And we got some nice hot weather right now, so you don't want to do this when you got some rain coming, because then fungal infection is worse in the summer. If it's cool and wet, chances are that'll get infected. But if you use clean shears and you do it in hot, dry weather, that will heal over and scar really fast, because it's going to dry out when it's hot tomorrow. Okay, so I'm just going to go around the tree and do the same thing. You see this ugly leaves here, and just snip it off where it's last nice. And now I want to put the phone down, and I'll do the rest and try to balance the tree out. So hey, I think you can summer prune your plants. Don't go crazy. Don't stress the plant out too much. Make sure it's not going to be raining, and knock off those new branches that you're just going to prune off anyways in the fall. I really should have done it earlier than this, and I did do it on a few branches. I pinched them off. You can see I broke that one off. I had broken that one off before, but I should have done a lot more of them, because it's just a lot of wasted energy for this plum tree. Okay, I do have a few plums. It's the first year I've got plums in this tree. There's one right there, and there's some more hiding throughout the plant. Okay, good luck and good pruning. See you later. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and the notification bell to see more videos.